Welcome to this Mom Chef. Subscribe for easy to make and yummiest recipes. Also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram for latest updates. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Dalgona Coffee, newest internet sensation. But does it really need to be frothy to be Dalgona? No, here's a stronger and no froth version of Dalgona Coffee. So I used Bar Cafe Classic Coffee Powder 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, water 2 tablespoons, hot milk 1 cup, and whipped cream. We'll mix coffee powder, sugar, and warm water. Now we'll start whisking it. We'll whisk it for good 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, this is classic coffee powder. So we have whisked it really well. So we'll stop here and pour hot milk in a glass. Add coffee mixture. Mix, mix, mix and mix. I'm really excited. Okay. Now whipped cream. I think, whipped cream's froth is more delicious and more gorgeous than coffee's froth. Please don't kill me. Sprinkle chocolate powder or cocoa powder, whatever you like. And our stronger version of Dalgona coffee is ready. Enjoy! Guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.